Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Master, the Zim Tech guy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fade audio in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. But before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you do eventually end up liking the video, please hit that thumbs up button. So let's get into it. This is just a clip from the review that I did of the iPhone 12. You can check it out on the channel. So let's just play back this audio and see what we're dealing with.
And if you're going to be enjoying content on the iPhone 12, in terms of picture quality, you will definitely not be disappointed.
Okay, so I want to fade in the audio. As you can see, the volume is just so much. I want to fade in the audio, and at the end as well, I want to fade out the audio. Now, to expand the audio clip, what we need to do is press Alt plus or minus if you want, minus if you want to decrease, and plus if you want to increase. So it's just a tip right there. So let's just also enlarge this. So this is the clip we're working with. To do this, there are two ways. The first method just includes us going to audio transitions. Let's just come under effects. If you cannot see effects in your program window here, you can come to where it says window and make sure that effects is ticked here. In my case, I can see effects. So let's go under audio transitions. Now we have three audio transitions to work with here. I'm going to be using the constant power transition. Let me just click it. It's already highlighted, and drag it to my audio. Let me just play back the footage.
And if you're going to be enjoying,
as you can see, it's coming from it's fading into the clip. That means the volume is increasing as the clip plays. And let me just drag it to the end of the clip as well and see what sort of effect there it is. Let me just come here, play it.
Is the sound quality.
And
if you're going to be enjoying
okay, so that's it increasing and
is the sound quality
fading out. Now we can always even drag this transition depending on the duration you want. Just come, highlight it, and just click. Sorry, I just highlight it, click and hold to increase the duration, which means the fade will take place over a longer period of time.
Disappointed though is the sound quality.
Exactly. I can also do the same here. Just click, highlight it, and drag it. The duration of the transition is how long the fade will last. Now, this is the first method of doing it. I'm going to show you the other simpler method that I use every time. Now, what I want to do is just to search. Just click P on the on my keyboard, or come here where it says pen tool here. Just click on it. So what I want to do is if I come here and I look at this line here, this is basically the volume. So let's assume that maybe up to this point here, this is where I want the fade to end. So what we can do is just click on it. There's a plus sign on the pen tool, as you can see, and just click. Let's just click here and just drag this down. Let's just bring the playhead to the start and play it.
You're going to be enjoying content.
As you can see it, the beauty about this method now is that you can add these fades anywhere you want. Like here, this is like the center of the clip.
Picture quality, you will
as you can see,
not
even at the end here, as you can see, we can click and add another keyframe here. Just play that.
Where you'll be disappointed.
Okay,
though,
watch it
is the
fade.
sound quality.
All right, so those are two ways to fade audio in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, see you in the next video.